Welcome to LinguaWire English A1. Today we have two stories. One is about a UN race. The other is about a new way to pay at Walmart. A new vote in the race for UN leader. Now we go to Mia, LinguaWire's correspondent for politics.
Thanks, Daniel. The UN Security Council has held another secret vote. It was not a final vote. It was a straw poll.
So this is a first test, not the final step. Who came out in front this time?
Guyana's ambassador, Rodrigues Birkett, came out ahead. She got 8 encouraged votes. She also got 3 discouraged votes. 4 members said nothing.
That sounds close. Who was near her?
2 other candidates were close behind. Rebecca Greenspan got 7 encouraged votes. Rafael Grossi also got 7. Grossi had more discouraged votes than Greenspan.
And this is still a long race, right? What happens after these polls?
The polls help the council see support. They also help it slowly narrow the list. Later, the council can make a formal choice. Then the UN General Assembly usually confirms it.
So the room is getting smaller. What do the candidates face next?
They need 9 votes in a formal vote. Any of the 5 permanent members can block a name. That makes the race very careful.
Careful is the right word. Why does this choice matter so much?
The next UN leader will face a hard job. The UN has been under pressure in recent years. Many people want it to seem stronger again.
So this small vote can shape a big future.
Yes, Daniel, more secret rounds may still come.
Walmart changes how shoppers can pay. Now we go to Owen, LinguaWire's correspondent for business.
Thanks, Daniel. Walmart says a big payment change is coming soon. From August 24, some stores will take Tap to Pay. That means Apple Pay and Google Pay too.
So people can just tap their phones. Where will this start?
It starts in select Walmart stores first. The company says it will grow later. By the end of 2026, it wants this in all Walmart and Sam's Club stores.
That is a big rollout. What about gas stations?
The company says gas stations will get it later. It says that should happen by mid-2027.
So shoppers will not get it everywhere at once. Why did Walmart wait so long?
For years, Walmart pushed its own payment system. That system used QR codes. Shoppers had to scan a code.
I can see why some people wanted a change. Did customers complain about this?
Yes, many shoppers did. They said they could not use Apple Pay in the stores. That was a common complaint.
So this is also about choice. What does Walmart say about that?
The company says it wants more choice. It also says shopping should feel a little easier. That includes how people pay at checkout.
This feels like a small change, but it is very visible. What should shoppers watch for next?
They should watch for the first stores on August 24th. After that, more places should follow.
Three words from the Walmart story. Tap to pay, paying by touching your phone or card. Walmart said shoppers could use it. Example: I use tap to pay at the store. Checkout: this is the place where you pay. In the story, Walmart talked about paying at checkout. Example: there was a long line at checkout. Choice: one thing you can pick from many. Walmart said it wants to give customers more choice. Example: I like more choice at lunch. Grammar point: be going to. We use be going to for a plan or change. Walmart is going to let shoppers use tap to pay. More stores are going to follow later. Repeat after me: is going to let. Thank you for listening to today's episode. Today, we ask one small favor. LinguaWire only launched in March, and right now, word of mouth is everything to our small team. If you know someone who loves the news and wants to learn English, or any of our 6 languages, send them this episode. It's the best way to help us grow and improve our service.